So I went looking for a body scrub at Discam and it clicks, and the prices are insane. So I decided to make my own. I got these ingredients to make my own body scrub. It is tea tree oil, essential oil, grapeseed oil, that is for the carrier, and Epsom salt with Himalayan salt and coconut oil. So I was just winging the measurements. This is like probably half a cup of Himalayan salt, an entire packet of Epsom salt, and then I went on to add, this is about 30 to 45 drops of grapeseed oil, and the grapeseed oil was $39.95. The peppermint oil was $44.95. The tea tree oil is $49.95. That was $50. And the Himalayan salt was $29.95. That is like $30. With the coconut oil, I was just winging it. I added 2 heaped teaspoonfuls of the oil, the coconut oil, and then I just kept on stirring it until I got this consistency, which is perfect. You don't want the consistency to be crumbly. You want it to be just like this. And this is just the tester to show how I put it on. You need to put this on when your skin is still damp, and I promise you this is amazing. This softens your skin and it makes your skin glow. Please try it out.